Are you looking for a sporty tritoon with enough performance for water sports and to enjoy family time? Meet the Barletta Corsa 23UC.
Introducing the 2022 Barletta Corsa 23UC. Let's take a look inside. Here at the front, you can see you have a standard walk-through door. This door is equipped with standard doggy dock view, giving your dog a great place to look out the bow of the boat when you're out on the water. It also provides the driver better visibility when pulling into the docks. You also have an anchor locker here at the bow. Great spot to store that when you're out on the water. Underneath all four seats you have storage, perfect spot for bags and life jackets. Great spot for 4 people to hang out up here at the bow. The bow is also equipped with 4 Yeti Ready cup holders and 2 Hertz speakers. The bow also has retractable armrests for the passengers, as well as a hidden trash can under the port side backrest. Moving a bit further back, you have your ski locker here in the center of the boat. Spot for cover, skis, life jackets, things like that. There is more storage behind this seat right here, as well as a walk-through light right here. Moving a bit further back, you can see you still have your standard doggy dish. Great spot to put your dog's food and drink when you're out on the water without making a mess. And your glove box. Here on the port side, you can see we have another walk-through door, also equipped with doggy dock view. Again, great spot for the dogs to look out the side of the boat. Great spot for the driver to get a little bit more visibility when pulling up to the dock. This being the UC model, Ultra Lounger here in the back. C meaning co-captain's chair. Great spot for your passenger to ride when you're out on the water. Both seats are fully adjustable, so they can swivel, they can slide forward and back, and recline. Here at the helm, you guys have your gauges, integrated with an electronic gauge here as well, and all of your manual switches on the boat here on these 2 panels. Wireless charging on the Corsa is standard, as well as the Lowrance fish finder and a Hertz head unit with USB, Bluetooth, and auxiliary plugs. Your Bimini on the Barletta Corsa 23 is also standard electric, making it just that much easier to get that up and down when you're out on the water. Moving a bit further back, you can see that you have your Ultra Lounger seating layout. This is very popular due to its versatility and variety of configurations. You can have this backrest facing forward. You can have it facing so that the passengers can face towards the stern. And then you can also lay it completely flat. Another great thing about the Ultra Lounger layout is that you have 4 separate seats here in the back. All are adjustable. That way you can flip up this seat here to create a forward-facing seat if you have this completely folded down. And this seat here as well to create a rear-facing seat for more passengers. The Ultra Lounger layout, it comes standard with 6 Yeti Ready cup holders here in the back as well, and a 3rd walk-through door. Battery switch is conveniently located here in the walkthrough. And as we make our way to the stern, you can see we have our high-speed tow bar, which is a great place to pull skiers, tubers, and wakeboarders when you're out on the water. This boat is equipped with a 200 horsepower Mercury engine. It is our most popular motor for this size, although a 350 horsepower Mercury is also available. If you guys have any more questions about the Barletta Corsa, please visit your local Action Water Sports or go to our learning center on actionwater.com. Thanks.